Alright, I'm going to shoot my Smith & Wesson M&P again, chambered in the 357 SIG. Get a good look at it in case you haven't seen any of my other videos. My favorite one. So, had a couple, I've been shooting some silhouettes, kind of getting bored with them a little bit. And shooting sea targets, so I'm going to shoot a couple 2 liters this time. So, see what she does. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen. Jeez. Expect her to go sailing in the air. Yeah, that's a lot more fun than shooting the silhouette targets that don't do nothing. Fun. I don't even know where the 2 flew to, but one flew quite a ways up in the air. Oh man. Through dirt and mud everywhere too. Pretty cool. That was fun.